If you are looking for a luxury, location and lifestyle, then this video is for you. Welcome to A7 Composition Lab, right in the heart of South Valley. When you walk out from the lift, you entered a private lobby. Now let me walk you through the dry and dining space. Let's see how it looks. So if I talk about the drawing and dining space, this is massive area, approximately 45 by 25 feet, and features creamy Italian marble floors. And if I talk about this window, this is windows with aluminum frame. Tiles are the more demanded, but if you have a balcony like this, you don't need a terrace anymore. This space is one of the highlights of this property. When you stand here, you are facing CR Park. And on the left side, here you can see the narrow place. So this is the narrow place road. And when you look at the right side, there is Savitri. So as you can see, the lush green area and a proper view of this property. Now let me walk you through the dining space. So if I talk about this space is perfect for family gathering, family events, or you can enjoy a full evening in luxury over there. Now let me walk you through the model kitchen of this property, which is one of the highlight of this property. And as you can see, it is looking beautiful and amazing. So here is the space for refrigerator. And now let me walk you to the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, and this bedroom is perfect for guests too. It features built-in wardrobes and attached washroom, as you can see. And access to the V-shaped balcony. Now let me walk you through the family lounge of this residence. Come, I will show you the family lounge. So this residence features a dedicated family lounge where you can spend quality times with the family. This one is the master bedroom. So this one is the king size master bedroom for our king and our free. Attached a luxurious bathroom with a modern vanity, high-end fittings and built-in wardrobes. Now you can open this from both sides, from here and from here. So this is beautiful, luxurious, amazing washroom. Now let me walk you through the fourth bedroom. So this one is the fourth bedroom with an built-in wardrobes and attached in the washroom and a bathroom. You can see the washroom. So this is one of the best property in South Delhi. Please do contact us for site visit. And if you like the video, please do share this video. Thank you.